Hey everybody, happy Tuesday, happy Cinco de Mayo to you. Want to show off some Super Scholar work here. Make sure you can get a picture of your work into us some way, somehow, if you would like to be featured on slides. All right, so our problem, how many fingers? See here, they made a model and they wrote 90 minus 30 equals 60. Down here, they wrote 60 minus 20 equals 40. It's just a little bit cut off over there. Over here, the friends wrote 9 minus 3 equals 6. So they're thinking in terms of tens, but they still wrote their answer as 60. So that's good. That means they understand. But if you're looking at 9 minus 3 as ones, and then you write your answer just as 6 here, then that would not be correct. So make sure you guys are understanding the difference in tens and ones. Here's some more Super Scholar work. Great models on these. I love how they labeled their answer. Remember to label your answer. All right, this is something we made on one of our Zoom meetings that went with the workbook page. So remember, you can use any paper to show your work. You do not have to have the actual workbook page. You can just write some notes from what you see on the slides. So I just looked at this right here and I wrote down some of the parts from the problem that I needed to be able to understand. And then we did it together right here. And I also said when I draw models, this would be one. Looks just like my little cube here. Right? This would be one. And then this is 10. It's the rectangle that's right here. Okay, that's equal to 10 cubes. 1 and 10. Make sure you're really understanding that place value. It's tricky stuff, so go back to your vocabulary words up at the beginning of the slides if you need to. All of these right here can help you to remember and understand that. All right. So today you have a new game. When you click here, you'll see the directions on how to play the game. So it's called Roll Tens, and you're going to work to fill a mat with connecting cubes organized in rows of 10. I want you guys to be thinking, how do I figure out the total of your roll, whatever you roll? How do you figure out the number of cubes? How do you figure out how many more cubes you need to complete the row of 10? All right, first we want you to choose 30. Then you can go and try the 50 and 100 mats, okay? And you click right here, it's going to take you to that game. Remember, we want you all to be able to group numbers of cubes into rows of 10, up to 30, 50, or 100. After that, you guys have your workbook page. You're subtracting 10 frame cards. Make sure you remember to fill in the number here. That's a blank because they want you to write the number. So if you look right there, I was hoping I could write on here. Let's see, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. So I would need to write 80 right there. 80 minus 60 equals, then you write your answer over here. Don't forget to fill in that blank. Okay, friends, have a great day. Also, if you do any of your extra workbook pages, or if you're doing any of the pages from your math packets, your extra math packet like this one, be sure to send us some pictures of that so we can look at it together and share it on Google Slides. Okay, guys, see you later.